Hello, everyone. Robbin Clark here, your fearless leader of all White Cane Day festivities. And I wanted to take a minute and talk with you about the update for White Cane Day 2020. As you know, White Cane Day is our biggest event of the year for our students, for our families, teachers, and the community. Now, this October, we had an awesome event planned for White Cane Day at Thanksgiving Point, where we were going to show how we were thankful for mobility. However, due to the spread of COVID-19 in Utah County, the governor recently raised the restrictions in Provo and Orem to the orange level, and the large group events are temporarily halted. So stay tuned, but don't worry. We are still going to have White Cane Day. It's just not going to be what we thought it was. But isn't that the story of 2020 anyways? So this year, we would like to invite you to Wacky White Cane Day, meaning we are taking White Cane Day and running with the theme of what's happening right now. So I will send you a link how you can sign up for an at-home kit so you can celebrate White Cane Day with us. Hope to see you soon. Bye.